I hope VP Sara is listening because she's the woman to beat. Because ang resulta ng lahat ng mga ito, nakalokohan ng mga congressman, was to ensure na mananalo si Romualdez for president. Ngayon, hindi na. Kung 3% siya noon, kayo baka minus 30% na siya. So, hindi na siya makakatakbo. At ayaw na ni BBM sa kanya, obviously. So, sino ang kandidato ngayon ni BBM, diba? So, now, the left, kaya Bayan, Makabayan, the other parties, Liberal Party, will now have a chance, di ba? Oh, di ba? So, kasi weak na yung kandidato ni BBM, di ba? Kung sino man yun. I heard it can be Remulla, the guapo one. Or they can have an alignment, di ba? It's not impossible for the left to go with Marcos, but tatawanan ko kayo.
Bakit?
Kung Marcos kayo, anong ginawa ni Ferdinand Marcos sa inyo ng martial law? That's very funny if you align with BBM. But, again, BBM is not going to run for president anymore. So, it will depend who his candidate is.
So what will happen?
Romualdez is out. It's the stage for reforms in the next term. And I hope VP Sara is listening. Because this is a serious extraordinary stage in Philippine politics. The people are sukang-suka na sa corruption. And she has the character na matatakot din yung mga tao niya sa kanya na mangungurakot sila. Parang si Digong.